I'm at today's open house from 1 to 4 p.m. at 13834 West Sarano Terrace here in Litchfield Park. When I tell you this property has a little bit of everything, I mean it has a little bit of everything. So, starting with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,893 square feet, and just too many amenities to mention. I'm actually going to give you a sneak peek so you can see for yourself. Look at this beautiful gourmet kitchen, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, quartz countertop, and it's open to the great room for great entertaining. And you even have the formal dining room. A lot of great space, a lot of great amenities, but to see the rest, you'll have to come here in person between 1 to 4. I couldn't leave you hanging without showing you the pool. The heated pool with a calming waterfall. Come check it out. I might even turn on the waterfall for you.